Assalamu alaikum, morning, wherever I'm listen and watch. My name is Jawad Raza Khan and I'm a storyteller. Professionally speaking, I direct films, documentaries, I produce songs as well. Interact with youngsters is also one of my passions. Belonging to a Sufi family, I think Sufism is the fountain of love, peace, humanity, and interfaith harmony, and that's what I'm inspired with. Uh, I uploaded 8 to 10 videos in Urdu, and some of my friends they gave me this advice to talk to the people in English so that more people get your message and at the right time. With all this corona around us, I think this is the right time to talk to people in any language. They'll be listening to you. And what all I'm talking is just peace, love, and humanity. Sufism is beyond logic. Sufism is beyond comprehension. It is the spiritual power. I learned it by reading books and stories and Sufis and saints coming to this part of the region as well from all around the globe, especially Iran, Iraq, Turkey, Afghanistan. But one thing more inspired me to look at these people, those who have lived their life and still, after maybe thousands of years, still remembered by us. I'm basically also a mountaineer. I've been going with mountaineering expeditions in Pakistan, Nepal as well, and have a great experience of traveling with mountaineers. Their will to fight the weather, their will to fight the climate, the terrain. I just loved that. Superb. And from there, I gathered so many friends in Nepal, so many friends in other parts of the world. So I thought that this was the time to unite the world together. And English is the best medium, I think. Most of the people, they understand English. My friend told me to start these stories of countries in South Asia. And I was in sort of a dilemma from where to start, but that dilemma instantly finished because I thought the best country to start with is the beautiful country, Sri Lanka. Morning, sir. Morning, everybody over there. Sri Lanka is awesome. I traveled twice or thrice over there. It is called as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Beautiful people, hospitable. They are so good in talking, in interacting, in taking their country to a peak where everybody wants to visit Sri Lanka. Traveling in Sri Lanka, buddies, it is basically traveling in time. It is traveling through history. As I have told you that I am the follower of Sufis and my previous videos are the testimony to the evidence of it. I feel that Sri Lanka is full of that passion which every Sufi has in him. And because of that passion, there are thousands of followers, hundreds and thousands of followers of that Sufi still coming to this world, still going to the khanqahs of those Sufis. For the first time when I went to Sri Lanka, my experience was just to look around for the beautiful places and experience some different thing about a country which is well known for the scenic landscapes and all that. But I realized the beautiful people of Sri Lanka, the way they have been attached with the harmony, peace and love like words since centuries. I belong to Pakistan, I'm a Pakistani, and I also saw lots of Buddhists over there. You know, the center of Buddhism is 3, 4 countries in the world, and most mainly Pakistan. The Gandhara civilization is evidence to that. One of the biggest civilization, and one of the civilization which has so many pearls of history in it. I'm grown up listening stories of Pakistan and Sri Lanka friendship. The way Pakistanis helped Sri Lanka in tackling terrorism. Wow, that's a story. That's a story to be heard by everybody. That's a story to take lessons from everybody. The way Sri Lankan team has been responding as far as the cricket matches are concerned, and the start of the cricket series in between these two countries, when all the world is not at all interested in coming to Pakistan, that was awesome. So it's a reciprocation of love, peace, and humanity in between these two countries. I'll be talking more on Sri Lanka in my next episode. If my Sri Lankan friends were watching this video, you must subscribe this channel if you want to hear your own stories. Or what my friends of Sri Lanka, I went there, so I just remember one of the word, I Buwan. If the pronunciation is not right, please excuse me for that, but I just wanted to be more Sri Lankan right now than a Pakistani. Thank you, my friends. Please subscribe my channel, and I want to share my experiences to everybody so that this Corona world can turn into a peace world. Thank you very much.